Okay, this video make a briefly introduction for this machine. Okay, this machine is mainly for the door frame tenon processing. Okay, we can check here. This is the center part of the door frame. Okay, for this machine, we can use it to size cutting the wood frame and also process the tenon for double end. Okay. Now we see the make an introduction for the main structure of the machine. For this machine, firstly, we will do the double trimming for the end. Okay, we can see here we have two saw blades to do the trim cutting for the end trim cutting, and these two bodies is to do to process the tenon. Okay, two big saw blades is to make the metal sawing. Okay, just to metal sawing to get the 45-degree face. And here we have two horizontal smaller saw blades is to process the tenon to get this part. Okay, to get this part. Okay, now we will see the machine action system. Okay. For this machine, we need to make it to do the cutting length adjustment. This part is fixed. This part is moving by the servo motor. Here, this can adjust the frame length. Okay, this is a servo motor, and this is a reference sensor. Okay. Okay. This is a servo motor and plus screw bar, the driving system. Okay. Here we also have the feeding. Okay. For the feeding, for the wood frame feeding, we use two servo motors and also with the screw bar. When they do the feeding in the auto version, they drive together. Okay. For here we have for the feeding we have two places. One place is for the wood loading. Another place is for the trim saw working to trim the double end. Another place, the third place is for the tenon process place. Okay. Now we come to the tenon process height. Okay, we can check this one. For the tenon height is driven by the frequency inverter plus the gearbox. Okay, this is the right hand pinion. Okay, so we can check here. On this body, we have 4 sensors. Okay, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one is front. We call it this place is front. So this is the front limit sensor. Okay, this one is for the front feeding, forward feeding, slow speed sensor. So when the tenon height move forward, when the body feel this sensor, the speed will change slower, and come here will stop completely. Okay, here you see this one is a back limit sensor. This is when the tenon body feed backward, this is slow speed sensor. When feel this, the speed will change slower. Come here, will stop completely. Okay. Now we can check inside of the control cabinet. You see, this is the two frequency inverter. Is to control the tenon height. Okay. Now I will make a showing for the action. I will make adjustment on the touch screen to move the cutting length. Okay. Shortly, when we after we power on the machine, we need let the servo motor to go to the reference place firstly. Just press this free length servo go 0, and the left right servo go 0. Also this go 0, go 0. Okay. Okay. when this sensor light on, it go back to the reference place. Okay, now finish, go back to the reference. I will show the action for the frame length changing. Okay, we can use the auto here. Okay, we see here frame length increase, frame length decrease. Okay, now I will decrease. Yeah, we can set up the length as per your door frame size. Okay. Next, I will show the fitting. Okay, the fitting for the first place is for the wood loading. Second place is for the under trimming. The third place is for the tenon production. Okay. Now I will go to the. You see here. We can add the auto page to use this function. You know, here we have go 0 together. Now is at 0. Now I will let the servo motor go to the wood load position. Okay, for our wood frame loading. I will press it. You can check here. Yeah. So this place is for the wood loading. I will make showing. Okay, so at this place you can do the wood loading. So for this face, start here, and this face, start here. Okay, that we finish the wood loading. Yeah. Second, I will let it go to the under trimming place. We can press this button, under trim position. Okay. So at here, we can do the under trimming. I will make a showing. Okay, you can come here. When we do when we do this operation in the manual version, we must make sure the tenon body should be at the back place. Okay, at the back place, the two sensors light on, because we can see here. Here is the dust hood plate. This is the motor, and this is very closer. You can see. So, if this height isn't at the back place, it will happen damage. Okay, so we must make sure this. Yeah. And another point, when we lift the saw blade in the manual version, we must make sure the press cylinder press the wood closely, tightly. Otherwise, the saw blade doesn't go up. Okay. Now I will show the last place for the tenon processing. Okay. Now the feeding servo motor go to the tenon production places. I will make a showing for the tenon production. Left. Okay, now we finish the introduction for the machine structure and each action system. Okay.